Hello Sunny Bonani, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going horse riding. I am in Pennsylvania at the Poconos and we are just ready for some fun, so we are going horse riding today. Come with us. Here it says age. Do I write my age or his age?
Your age, honey, it's blue.
Okay.
Everything blue pertains to you.
Okay. What's the date today?
23rd.
Thank you. You're basically just giving your life away.
Print your name at the top, initials all the way down the side, sign print current age at the bottom. Honey, capable hold of your clipboard. I need you to do a writing level. This one is for you. Check your writing level, your signature. This one is for the minor. Check his writing level, your signature, his printed name.
Okay.
Oh, these flies.
I know that.
There are more flies in my office than there is in the barn. That ain't right. All right, guys, cash or charge?
No, I think I gave her my card information.
You did give a credit card, Visa ending in 0752. Is that the card you would like charged?
Yes, please. Yes, son. He's under age.
All right, young man, if you'd like to come over here, I can get you a helmet.
Did you want to leave your bag in the car so you're comfortable, Jack?
We would prefer you leave it in the car because if it's on the back or your back and it would happen to slip off and hit the horses in the back end, it could startle them. So we recommend that you don't take big book bags with you, and you cannot take the camera.
Okay. Here is the thing. Let me go and put the camera back.
You have to finish that up?
No.
Unfortunately, we cannot take the camera with us because of the safety issues. So we will have no record of our riding. We're about to get on horses. Ride on, girl, ride on, girl. Okay, I am scared. I am not. Who just went to the toilet? That's a sign of being scared.
I drank a lot of water. Coffee,
Jack is not scared. I am.
5?
Okay, guys, we can't take the phone or the camera with us. So, see you when we come back. I don't know. They said we can't.
No, that you can't ride with
the camera.
Yeah, because if it falls, then it thinks.
How about the phone?
It will
Phone is good. I take
Okay.
the phone all the time.
Okay. So you'll take the phone. You can record with the phone then.
I won't be recording. I'll
But you'll
just
take
take
the
pictures
phone. Okay.
every now and then. I can't
Cheers.
record.
Well, they did allow us to take phones with us, so we could do some photo taking and a bit of video recording with the phone. So, akufani nokuhlala. The thing with horse riding is it seems scary, but once you get on the horse and you just start going, it is safe and it's so, I don't know how to explain the feeling, but it's just something I really enjoy. And if you haven't tried it, please do try it. Try it with a reputable horse riding company so that you know that you are safe, the horses are trained. Yeah, it's something really fun to do. It's really, really fun to do. So that was it, guys. Good fun, good horse riding at the Poconos in Pennsylvania, US of A.
Why'd you
It's
look
the
like?
Poconos.
Why'd you look like Dara?
Who's Dara? On Dara.
Dara.
Because I've just done an extreme sports, and that's what she does every day of her life.
You look like her.
Dara.
Was this your perfect horse riding?
Not really, but it's,
No, because we didn't get to run and we didn't get to take a lot of pictures
The other
like how I
side's
always
run.
do.
Jack, was this your perfect horse riding?
yes.
Oh, that's
Hope you're not
nice.
saying yes because of mommy though.
Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.